So let's set up our first movement on a null so that we can transition from our comp1 to our comp2. So let's create a new null, bring up the position values, and separate dimensions. So at the beginning of the timeline, we want to set the stopwatch for the Y position and go forward about 20 frames. And if we click and drag this null, we can see we're dragging out a motion path. If we hold the command key, it's actually going to snap to the center of this layer. So now we have the distances that we need to move between set. If we scrub back our timeline, we can see that our null is moving upward, but we actually want to animate this forest shot down into the center of our frame. So to do that, we need our null to begin at the top and move downward. And we can do that by going into our keyframe assistant and doing time reverse keyframes, and that's just going to flip these two values. So now our null is moving downward. Now we can parent both of our comps to our null, and we can see that the movement is what we need. If we verify that in our render comp, we can see that that's what we're looking for. So now we can apply our easing. And for this, I would like to start with a slight ease and then ramp up and gradually come to a stop. We can just double check that movement in our render comp.